And I'm gonna go do a 3-point turn here.
Hello beautiful people, Arif Orya here from Orya Driving Academy, and I will be showing you route number 2 for the G2 test here at the Port Union Drive Test Center. So when you come here, this is what you will have to do. Once you get to the Drive Test Center, you will have to park your car in one of the parking spaces. It is always recommended that you park your car in reverse because then it will be easier for you to come out. So park your car in reverse. Please make sure that you know the number of your parking space. Then you will have to go inside the Drive Test Center. There are designated kiosks for the scheduled road test appointments. You'll go to the kiosk, touch the screen, and you will see this screen there. It says, please choose one of the following options, which is scheduled road test check-in. Click on this, and then it will take you to the next screen. The next screen will tell you, please ensure you have the following information before you begin: driver's license, vehicle make and color, license plate number, parking space number. And if there's no parking space, then please indicate front, side, or back, wherever you have parked your car at. Then click on continue, and then it will take you to the next screen where you will have to enter your driver's license number. Your driver's license always starts with a letter, so enter the letter first, then it will take you to the numbers, and then enter the number of your driver's license. Once you enter your driver's license number, then it will take you to the next screen, and your appointment will pop up. It says road test. You are checking in for road test appointment on this date. Please select the appointment below and select next to continue. So in this case here, if you're here for G, it will show class G. And if you're here for G2, it will show G2. It will also show the time that you have booked your appointment at and the location at which Drive Test Center. You check the box and then click on next, and then it will take you to the next screen. So on this screen, the kiosk will ask you 2 questions. Check yes or no for this. Number 1, has an optometrist or physician ever advised you that you require corrective lenses to improve your visual acuity to see at a distance? So, which means if you're wearing any glasses or any contact lenses, if you are, please make sure you have them on you. If you don't have them, they can refuse your test, and it will show as an X on your license if you have it, but you haven't brought them. So the examiner will check for that. The next one is, has a physician ever advised you that you suffer from any of the following medical conditions: heart disease, stroke, diabetes requiring insulin to control, epilepsy, seizure disorder, loss of consciousness or awareness, or any other medical condition or physical disability that may affect your safe operation of a motorized vehicle? So obviously you're here for the road test, so this will be a no. If you suffer from any of these, you shouldn't be here. So you hit next, and then it will bring you to this screen. So when you come to this screen, it will actually ask you for the vehicle make. So you enter your car model, if it's Toyota, Honda, whatever it is, your license plate number, you enter the plate number of your car, and then the color of your car, whether it's white, black, red, whatever color it is. And then location of vehicle or parking spot number. So you enter the parking spot. So in this case, I have number 11. So you enter 11 or whichever parking space you have parked at. And if there's no parking space number, then you either put front, side, or back, wherever you have parked your car at. Once you do that, then click next, and then it will take you to this screen. It says, once you receive a ticket below, your test has been dispatched to an examiner and you must wait at your vehicle immediately. Then click on the box here where it says, I acknowledge, I'll wait at my vehicle immediately. So once you click on this box, you will receive a ticket from the kiosk. Grab the ticket, go to your car and wait in the car for the examiner. The examiner will come to your car from the left side. You will have to, while you're waiting for the examiner, please make sure that your seat is adjusted, your mirrors are adjusted, you have your seat belt on, And when the examiner comes, make sure you start the car, bring the left side window down, and this is what they're gonna do. Hello, my name is Arif, and I will be your examiner for the day. Can I have your license, please?
Sure. Here you go.
Thank you. Could I please have your full name?
Yeah, I'm Adam John.
Your date of birth?
Yeah, 1995 0521.
Perfect. Thank you so much. Can you beep the horn for me, please,
Sure.
GP? Thank you. Can I please have the right signal? Left signal? Thank you. Swatch me in the mirror and let's do the same thing in the back.
Okay.
Can I please have the left signal? Right signal? Can you turn off the signal, please?
Yes.
Step on the brake.
Okay.
Take your foot off. Thank you.
Do you require glasses?
No, sir.
Do you have any medical conditions that would affect your safe driving?
No, sir.
All right, can I see your license one more time?
Yes, sir.
Thank you. On today's test, you will not be asked to do anything against the law. Your driving capabilities will be noted and assessed. When observing or looking around, please move your head and not just your eyes.
Sure, sir.
Cellular and Bluetooth devices must be silenced or turned off. Convenience technologies can't be used. In-vehicle recording devices must not be facing the passenger area. Get a copy of the test inside the office or online at drivetest.ca afterwards.
Sure, sir.
Do you have any questions before we start?
No, sir.
When you are ready, please proceed.
All right, so when you come here, when the examiner comes, sits beside you, so in here at Port Union, this road is one way, so they will tell you to go right. So it's always right. There's no left here. So the examiner will give you the directions. So what you will have to do is make sure that you put your car in drive, signal to the right, but before leaving, please make sure that you're doing a good 360 degrees check. Check your rear view mirror, right, behind, left, all around. So this is very important. This is the first impression that you're leaving with the examiner. So do not panic. It's very easy. G2 test here. It's a piece of cake, guys. Very easy, and you can do it because I'm sure your driving instructors have done a great job in teaching you all the tricks. So when you're leaving, nice and slowly come out. Look for any cars from the left, right, nothing there. Nice and slowly turn right here. This is how they will take you. Keep going here. The speed limit within a plaza is between 10 to 15 kilometers. So drive it with a good speed. Watch for any pedestrians on the right side. Watch for any cars that may pull out, like all these things. So watch for these things. Do not rush. So keep going this way and continue nice and slowly. Do not rush. Do not panic. You're going to be hearing some good news at the end. So when you get to this point, slightly move towards right here, but with caution. Watch for any cars, any pedestrian, and keep going here towards the right. Now from here on, check your rear view mirror, signal blind spot to the right, and we will be turning right here. So turn right here. The speed limit here is 40 kilometers per hour. So route number one, we turned right at the stop sign, but then the route number two, they will take you straight here. So they will take you straight, always stop sign, come to a complete stop here. Check your rear view mirror, left, center, right, left again. It's my turn and I'm gonna go. You see those cars parked on the side of the road. When you're passing them, please make sure that you are 1 meter away from them. And these are the cars they will ask you to do parallel park with. So this is where they're gonna ask you to do the parallel park. So then you will do it. But I've done all those things for you guys. It's in the playlist. Go to my YouTube channel, check the G2 road test lessons, and you're gonna find them all there. So in here, the examiner may ask you to go left here. So we're gonna go left. So mirror, signal, blind spot to the left. Watch for any oncoming traffic. If any cars are coming, do not go. Watch for pedestrian and then turn left here. So when you come here, the examiner may ask you to do a 3-point turn. Pull over for uphill parking. So mirror, signal, blind spot to the right. You pull over here, they're gonna make you do an uphill parking, and then usually at the end, they will ask you to do a 3-point turn. So mirror, signal, blind spot, and I'm gonna go do a 3-point turn here. I'll do it quick here because mirror, signal, blind spot, they keep on coming and we are not allowed to be around here. Stop here,
check, 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 and then turn and go. So when you're here, they will ask you to go left. So mirror signal blind spot to the left. You come to a complete stop. It's a one-way stop sign. Please make sure you're coming to a complete stop. Check both sides. Slowly come out. When there's no cars, go halfway in and then turn left here. So they will ask you to turn left, and then they will ask you to turn right here on Dernis. So mirror signal blind spot to the right, and then they will ask you to turn right here. So we're gonna turn right, check a blind spot, turn right here. Again, if there are any parked cars, stay 1 meter away. If there's another car coming from that side and there are cars, wait for that car to go and then you go. So I'm gonna go 1 meter away, nice and slowly, and then come back to your lane and continue here. So they may ask you to do maybe emergency stop here, uphill, downhill, those things in here as well, but then you will continue on this. Again, I'm not gonna do those things for you guys in this video. Go to the playlist of my YouTube channel for the G2 road test lessons. I've done all those things for you guys there with a professional camera, so that way you can learn them nice and easily. So continue here. At the end of this street, the examiner will ask you to go left. Look left, right. So this is route number 2. Route number 1 is also go to the playlist of my Port Union and you're gonna find all. So we will be turning left here. So mirror signal blind spot to the left, come to a complete stop here, one-way stop sign. Guys, this is very important here. Check both sides, no pedestrian, creep up slowly. A lot of students panic here. No cars from both sides, go halfway in and then turn left here. So in here, the examiner will tell you to go right at the traffic light. So mirror signal blind spot to the right, we will be making a right turn. So guys, if it's a red light, please treat it like a one-way stop sign. Come to a complete stop, check both sides, make sure no pedestrian, then you creep up slowly, creep up, and watch for any cars from the left side. When there's no cars, check the blind spot to the right and then turn right into the first lane. Try to avoid the bicycle lane. There's a bicycle lane on the right. Do not enter the bicycle lane and continue here. The speed limit here is 60 kilometers per hour. Please make sure that you're reaching that 60 kilometers per hour speed limit here and keep going. Now, the examiner will ask you to turn right on Kingston Road. So we will be making a right turn on Kingston Road. Once you pass the driveway of the gas station, check your rear view mirror, signal blind spot to the right, and stay on this lane. Do not move into the bicycle lane. And when you're stopping behind another car, please make sure that you're far enough where you can see the tires and a little bit of the ground of the car in front of you. Guys, if you like this video, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Leave me some great comments. If you have any questions, please feel free to ask me in the comment section and I'll be more than happy to answer your questions. And I'm sure some of you, I will see you at Port Union because I'm always there. And if you need basically route 1, 2, 3, all of them are in the playlist. Go to the playlist and you're gonna find all these. So now we're moving. It's a green light. Check for pedestrian on the right, check the blind spot and turn right. Again, there's a bicycle lane here. Try to avoid that and go in here. Continue here, 60 kilometers per hour here. It's the same thing. The speed limit is 60 kilometers. Look for any driveways on your way and continue here. Now, the examiner will tell you to turn right at the traffic light. So right from here, rear view mirror signal blind spot to the right, and we will be making a right turn on Rylander. Red light again, come to a complete stop, not a rolling stop, complete stop, check, 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 and check the blind spot and then turn right here. Once you turn right here, the examiner will tell you to go left at the stop sign. So mirror signal blind spot to the left, change your lane to the left. And keep going here. Again, this is that always stop sign like I did in the route number 1. So please make sure that you're scanning the intersection, whose turn it is, come to a complete stop. So that white car came before me and then it's my turn. I'm gonna look left, right. The Honda violated my right of way. Make a left turn here and closer to the curb here. And there's a stop sign. The stop sign was not in the old video, so mirror signal blind spot. Make sure you're coming to a complete stop. These are the last moments of your test. Look both sides. As you guys can see, there's one car moving, so I'm not gonna move because then I will be blocking the intersection. So I will wait here till that car is back. I see some pedestrians as well, so I'll wait for them. look left right scan, and nice and slowly it's my turn and I'm gonna move. Here it's very busy sometimes, so you're gonna see pedestrian cars pulling out and all that stuff. Try to be relaxed, don't rush. 10 to 15 kilometers, and sometimes they may ask you to do the reverse parking in here, so then you can perform. I'm sure your driving instructors have done a great job, so you already know mirror signal blind spot, we're turning right. I know most of the driving instructors, they're amazing here, so I know that they have done a great job in teaching you all the stuff for your G2, and this is it. So we're back to the drive test center. We're coming here, and then the examiner may ask you to park in one of the parking spaces here. So we're gonna park in one of the parking space. Try to stay on the right. So mirror signal blind spot to the right, and we're gonna come to we're gonna park in spot number 10 here for you. So you park your car, come to complete stop, park your car, and that's pretty much it. So now the examiner will give you the good news. The examiner will tell you, congratulations, you meet the ministry standards. What you will have to do, grab that ticket, go inside the drive test center. When you go inside the drive test center, you will have to wait for your turn. They will either call you by name or by number. Once it's your turn, they will give you a temporary license, and they will put a sticker on your G1 license. They will give you a paper so you can drive with both of them. And once you get that, then if you have changed your address, please make sure that you're notifying the clerk, and once you notify the clerk, so that way you get your plastic license at the correct address in the mail. So that's it, guys. Thank you so much for your love and support. Please make sure that you're subscribing to my YouTube channel and go to the playlist. You're gonna find all the routes in the playlist so that you're well prepared for your G2 test. Tell yourself that you're the best and you can do it.